This 16-in-1 multi-tool came in earlier today, and we're gonna unbox this thing and have a close look at it. Comes with a nice firm case with a belt loop. Has a nice feel to it with some good spring action on the pliers. At the top, you have standard and you have needle nose pliers with wire cutters, crimper, wire stripper. Also contains knife, scissors, flat and Phillips screwdrivers, wood saw, bottle opener, scraper, threading device, a file, and it's self-locking. Everything slides smoothly, locks well, and then there's a button that you push to unlock and close everything back up. I like it. I'm actually gonna give this one to my dad because it's got the Raider colors, so he'll love that. He loves this kind of stuff too, so I hope you do too, and have a great day.